Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make pineapple barbecue pork ribs. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious pork ribs. Oh my god, it was so delicious. You guys gonna enjoy it, trust me. And I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching the video. Give the video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel, guys. Come on, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. All right, and you guys make sure that you click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. All right guys, and you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Right, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious pineapple barbecue pork ribs. Enjoy. Hey guys, so today we'll be doing some pineapple barbecue pork ribs. So these are some of my ingredients. So over here we have our pork ribs. I already cut it up. Over here we have this is a rib rubs seasoning. Here we have our black pepper, paprika, chili powder, and all-purpose seasoning. Here we have our onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. And over here we have some sugar. So let's go and season up our meat now. To make things easier, so the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna mix all of your seasonings together. All right. So in here we have our sugar. So we're gonna pour in our black pepper, chili powder, paprika, and here we have our onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. Try to get it, scoop it out properly, make sure everything come out. Yeah. And over here we have our rib rubs. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, you're gonna mix all of this together. Make sure all of our seasoning well combined together. All right, it's gonna be much easier to season up the meat at once. I'm already smelling the seasoning. So you're gonna put it aside and you're gonna put your ribs here. So now you're gonna season your ribs. So you're gonna sprinkle seasoning all over on the ribs, just like this. And you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna make sure you rub it. Make sure all over get seasoning, just like this. Guys, I'm videoing in one hand and seasoning the meat with one hand, right? So sorry if it's too shaky for you guys, sorry. So then you're gonna turn it over, turn all of them over, just like this. And you're gonna put the seasoning again on this one side as well. So both sides you're seasoning, okay guys? And you're gonna rub it together, just like this. Perfect. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just let this marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to go and preheat my oven now and I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. So guys, so what you're gonna do now, I put a little butter in a pan here. So I'm gonna transfer over my pork ribs in another pan here. Just like this. And my stove already preheated, so I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake for, let's say, 40 minutes on one side, and then I'm gonna turn it over and then bake for another 45 minutes on the other side. So we'll be back in 45 minutes. So guys, so my pork ribs has been in the oven for about 40 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, You're going to turn it over. You're going to turn each of them over. I'm trying to turn and video at the same time. I'm going to get this one here now. Turn it over. Then we have the last one here. Turn them over. Right? And I'm gonna put it back now in the oven. You can strain out some of the oil here. This is the fat from the pork. So you can strain out some of the fat from the pork, and you put it back in your oven to bake for another 40 to 35 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're gonna be making our pineapple sauce now. So we have our pineapple here, barbecue sauce, green seasoning, mustard hot sauce, vinegar. This is the rub that we had leave back from when we seasoned the pork earlier, and we have some sugar. We also have some pine skin boiling, so we're gonna make our pineapple sauce now. So in a pot now, I just put on my pot. I'm gonna put in my barbecue sauce. Alright, and I'm gonna strain out my pine juice. Put it in there. Mix it up a little bit. Just keep on mixing it. So now I'm gonna put in my green seasoning. This is my green seasoning here. So I'm gonna put in my green seasoning. I'm gonna flavor it with some cube and my ginger powder, paprika, chili powder, and garlic powder. Also, I'm going to put in my mustard hot sauce. And also, I'm going to put in my sugar. Alright? And then I'm going to mix everything together until the sugar dissolves. And also, I'm going to put in some white vinegar, and just stir everything, let everything combine and come to a boil. So we'll be back. Also guys, we're gonna put in our chopped fresh pineapple, and we're gonna cover it and let it boil for about 10 minutes or so. So we'll be back. So guys, my ribs just came out of the oven, so I'm gonna baste the pineapple barbecue sauce in it as soon as it finishes boiling. We have like about 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna throw all of this sauce into the ribs. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my pineapple sauce is boiling, my pineapple barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna turn off my stove, and I'm going to pour it over into the barbecue. Pour it over into the ribs, all over. Make sure you get the sauce all over the ribs. This rib is so good guys, so good. It smells so delicious right now. So you can see all the sauce is on the ribs here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it back in the oven. I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 more minutes on low heat. And let all this delicious barbecue sauce bake into the pork. Alright guys, so we'll be back in 15 minutes and I'll show you guys the end results. And you'll get to see all 3 dishes. You'll get to see the cream potato and the butter sweet corn. Alright, so we'll be back. So guys, so my pineapple barbecue ribs are finished, so I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my pineapple barbecue pork ribs here, and I'm gonna eat my pork ribs with some cream potato, or you say mashed potato, and some sweet butter corn. All three of these dishes I did today, so look out for all three of the videos, okay? My sweet butter corn and my cream potato. So I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back.